Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel Daily GK Updates. But before proceeding further, let me tell you that this video will contain the news headlines and the GK associated with those headlines of last 3 days, that is 19th, 20 and today 21st of August. So hope you all will enjoy. Let's get started. Starting with the very recent news headlines. Indore wins cleanest city title again. Result of Swachh Sarvekshan Survey Rank 2020 are released, and once again for the fourth time Indore won the cleanest city title and Chhattisgarh won the cleanest state title. Swachh Sarvekshan is an annual survey of cleanliness, hygiene and sanitation in cities and towns all across India. It was launched as a part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which aimed to make India clean and free of open defecation. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched in the year 2014 on 2nd of October, and this survey was initiated from the year 2016. This time in the year 2020 it was the fifth edition, and this became the largest sanitation survey ever. Basically, Housing and Urban Affairs Minister presents this survey every year annually. Currently, Housing and Urban Affairs Minister is Hardeep Puri. This Housing and Urban Development Department is mandated to frame policies, prepare plans and schemes for growth of urban areas and to provide civic amenities in urban areas. Coming to the second news headline, Railways deploys ninjas for surveillance. Indian Railway have introduced a drone, that is unmanned aerial vehicle based surveillance system to enhance security at railway station and tracks with real time tracking, video streaming and automatic fail safe mode. Guys, you know what? Indian Railway to have world's tallest pier bridge in northeast. It will involve about 45 tunnels, and this will further involve a tunnel with length of 10,280 kilometers. Headline: Indian copters fight oil spill in Mauritius. In the previous videos, we have talked about the news of oil spill in Mauritius. Now, a specialist pollution response team of the Indian Coast Guard (ICG) has been deployed on the request of Mauritius. ICG, that is Indian Coast Guard, is an fourth armed force of India, search and rescue and maritime law enforcement agency that protects Indians' maritime interests and enforces its maritime law with jurisdiction over the territorial waters of India. Currently, Krishnaswamy Natarajan is the Director General of ICG, Indian Coast Guard. Moreover, 2 helicopters from India are being used extensively for rescue mission to clear the oil spill in Mauritius. These 2 helicopters, namely indigenous Dhruv Advanced Light Helicopter from HALE, ALH, that is Advanced Light Helicopter, and Chetak Helicopter. Talking about the Dhruv Advanced Light Helicopter ALH, it is a utility helicopter designed and developed by the Rotary Wing Research and Design Center of HALE. This development of the Dhruv was announced in November 1984. Talking about HALE, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, it is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company headquartered in Bangalore, India. It is governed under the management of Indian Ministry of Indian Defense. Currently, the Defense Ministry is headed by Rajnath Singh. Coming to the fourth news headline, Satyapal Malik is Meghalaya's governor. According to a statement from Rashtrapati Bhavan on Tuesday, Goa's governor Satyapal Malik has been appointed as governor of Meghalaya. Mr. Malik will replace Tathagat Roy in Meghalaya. Also, Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari has been given additional charge of Goa. In this news, we talked about two states, that is Goa and Meghalaya. And just for your information, let me tell you that the capital city of Goa is Panji, and currently the Chief Minister of Goa is Mr. Pramod Sawant. Similarly, talking about Meghalaya, the capital city of Meghalaya is Shillong, and the current Chief Minister of Meghalaya is Konrad Sangma. Coming to the fifth headline, Dream 11 is IPL's new title sponsor. IPL chairman Brijesh Patel confirmed that Dream 11 was finalized and given the title of IPL's sponsor. In the previous videos, we have already talked about ICC, BCCI, IPL, etc. Now, once again giving you the brief. Indian Premier League, that is IPL, it is a professional 2020 cricket league in India which was founded by BCCI's former chairman Lalit Modi. Here, BCCI is Board of Control for Cricket in India. Coming to the sixth headline, former Indian goalkeeper Bhaskar Mehti passes away. Mehti represented India against Iraq during 1978 Asian Games at Bangkok. He also played for Maharashtra in Santosh Trophy. After his retirement, Mehti was made the coach of RCF football team. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Do like my video, comment, share and subscribe my channel.